Hi traders! Today I'm gonna break down all my trades step by step, showing you exactly how I easily made $2,000 in a single trading session. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll be sharing the most significant trades of the day and a special bonus, a powerful tool I use in every trade to optimize my trading process. It has completely transformed the way I approach the market, but more on that later. The first trade, got USDT. In this trade I use the order block strategy. By the way, if you are not familiar with order blocks, check out my Telegram channel, especially this post. This approach falls under the category of smart zones, allowing us to trade alongside institutional capital rather than following just the crowd. Remember, the crowd always loses. What was the idea behind this trade? I identified an order block and entered the trade right at its boundary, on the level 0.3195. My goal was simple: to secure a 1:2 risk-reward ratio. The stop loss was placed just below the order block, as you see, at the level 0.3140. Position sizing is another crucial moment in these setups, and I will share more about how to calculate it later. Stay tuned for that tool I promised. We see the reaction. My limit orders were executed and the price began to react off the block as expected. This is a key mechanics, market mechanics. A properly identified order block will always give a price reaction on the first test. As the price approached the inclined level, I started partially locking in profits. A bit later, the price broke through the trend line, but I didn't see any acceleration in momentum, so I decided then to fix my profit entirely. The second trade, ONDOUSDT. Here we go again with smart money trading. I have marked a smart zone and I'm waiting for the price to return to it and bounce off. My limit orders are already set and I calculated the proper volume using a special app which you'll get at the end of the video. A correctly identified zone always works. The zone's boundary is at, as you see, 1.33. and we place stop loss just below it. By the way, the sharper the price approached the zone, the higher the chances you will get a quality reaction. If the price slowly drifts down in a stepwise manner, it's likely that the players who initiated the strong move have already exited the market and shifted their liquidity to other assets. As you can see, the orders were executed and we are getting an instant price reaction from this zone. I have placed several limit orders for sale to fix partially my profit. As you can see, we are having almost $400, so I am starting to gradually lock in profits. My limit orders for fixation are executed. When the risk-reward ratio reaches to 1:2, I'll decide to close the trade completely. In this trade I managed to make $463. Another trade, ONDOUSDT. Here I attempted to break through a horizontal level. I had already placed pending buy orders for when the price crosses this level. I expected a lot of liquidity to be accumulated above the level. So some activity has started, but however not all my buy orders are getting filled. And unfortunately the price is losing momentum and the breakout fails. Here you see my stop loss calculated through my risk calculator. So at this point I'm prepared for two outcomes. Either my stop loss gets triggered and I'll take a fixed loss of about $300 according to my system, or the breakout eventually happens and I'll secure my profit 3 times higher than my stop loss. That's how good risk-reward ratio should work. So as you see, the breakout fails. There was a false spring and the stop loss hit, resulting a loss of more than $300. The last and most profitable trade was another short breakout on USDT. The market was going through a major correction at that moment, and I spotted a strong support level that I expected to break. Why? Because there were many touches to this level, active selling, the market was generally falling. So there was no chance this level would hold. Since a lot of stop losses from long positions were likely accumulated below this level, their removal could trigger a strong impulse. I decided to take advantage of this. In this situation, I set a very tight, very short stop loss, which allowed me to increase my position size to $50,000. At first we see some resistance from buy limit orders in the order book, but they quickly gave way. As I mentioned, the market was falling and a huge amount of liquidity in the form of their stop losses had built up below. So activating those orders would trigger a downward impulse. Why? Because stop losses for buyers are essentially sell orders. Frankly speaking, I wouldn't call this a classic breakout. Typically, a breakout is a very impulsive move. But here, we were more or less just falling along the market. I have placed my stop loss in break-even point. It means that I have already zero risk on this trade. In case of stop loss hit, I will just get $0 profit. Then I decided to lock in the position in small portions. I didn't see enough price acceleration to justify holding this position, so I just began to gradually secure profit. I removed my stop loss deeper, and finally almost half of my position is already fixed. We are having here more than $1,000 profit. So finally, once the price reached the middle of the imbalance and buy limit orders continued to appear below, I feared a price reversal upward and decided to close the position completely. By the way, in most cases, when I work on a setup, I share it in my Telegram channel. If you follow the posts, you can take advantage of these setups too. The link to the channel is already in the description. So guys, that's a full breakdown of my $2,000 trading session. I hope this gave you some valuable insights to apply to your own trading. And as I promised, here is the bonus I mentioned earlier. It's the risk calculator I use to manage position sizing and minimize risk on every single trade. This tool has simplified my process and made my trading more consistent. You will find it linked in my Telegram channel, don't miss out. I showed how to use this tool during my previous live stream. And finally, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which trade breakdown was the most valuable for you. See you in the next videos.